What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamra. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we are taking on all forms of self-care. If you watched my last video, you would have heard me say that we are not denying ourselves of anything that makes us feel good, look good, whatever it takes. We are fully diving in. Okay, this particular day I had come off a 3-day stretch at work, and I just decided to show my body a little bit of love. So here you see me starting off with some yoga. I love doing yoga at home. It helps me just kind of forget about my stresses just for a moment, and obviously it helps my body feel good. I'm really tense and I carry a lot of my stress in my shoulders, so this particular day I did a back, neck, and shoulder yoga video by Yoga with Adrienne. I'll leave her link down below. She's probably one channel that I use consistently. But yeah, we're going to start off with some yoga, and then we're going to do a little bit of skincare, take a nice bath, and of course, if you know me, if you watch my videos, you know we have to end with a drink. I remember back in undergrad, me and my best friend would go to our fitness center at our school, and we would take these yoga classes that would get us so relaxed. We'd go to yoga class, we'd get something real good to eat, and then we'd go back to our apartment and we would study, and it left us feeling like we could take on the world. Yoga is probably one of the top 2 exercises for me, or things to do where I need to relax, that work every single time. So drop your favorite yoga channels down below. What can be Instagram that has quick, moments of yoga that you can do anywhere, anytime. It can be a channel like Yoga with Adrienne here on YouTube. Share them with me. I'd love to try something new. I'm pretty much a creature of habit in many areas of my life, and I would love to test the waters and see what else is out there. I may find another channel that I really love, so drop them down below. Moving on, we are going to give ourselves a little mini at-home facial. I do this a few times a week. Sometimes I skip a week every now and then, but I have videos where I go in depth on what I do for my at-home facials on my channel. I'll leave those linked down below and on the screen. But just going in and giving myself a nice scrub, going in with a few new products, and then we are going to hop in the shower. Now, this particular day, I did my skincare before I got in the shower because I wanted to take a steaming hot shower, and you should not use that hot of water on your face. So I did it before. Sometimes I do it after, but this day it just happened to be before. I've been loving this Good Molecules line of skincare products. I tried the niacinamide toner and I love it, and I have been trying out this discoloration serum. I think I used too much right here. However, I do like it and it has not been proven to break me out yet. So we're gonna see how it goes, see what it does for my dark marks, and I will definitely get back to you. Up next, we're gonna shower with our Dove and our Necessaire eucalyptus body wash. Absolutely love the way that this smells. That's pretty much the only great thing about it, because it's just regular body wash outside of that. And then we're going to exfoliate. I showed you the two that I use the most common, but in this video I'm going to be using the Body Butter Goods Vanilla Body Scrub. This is actually my sister-in-law's line of products. She has exfoliants, she has body butters, she has chapstick, she has body oils, she has bath salts, she has every and anything you can think of, and they're all freaking amazing, because you will see how moisturized my skin is once I'm done exfoliating. The water just kind of repels off of my skin. It's just bouncing off of the oils that the scrub has left, and you'll see once my skin is dry how moisturized it is. It is freaking amazing. Like, look at that. Look at that. Water just repelling off of that skin. Look at that glow. And then when we dry it, look at how moisturized. Look at that. So fire. Okay, and then we go in with her body oil and her body butter. As you can see, it is well loved, but I always got the backup on deck. Okay. Especially after my shifts, I love using this on my hands, because I wash my hands 1,000,001 times at work and they get really dry and cracky, and this oil definitely helps a lot. Would be fire as a cuticle oil as well. And like I said in the beginning, if you know me and if you watch my videos, it's all about a little drinky drink. So we're gonna wind down the night just with a ranch water, which I learned from TikTok. Still has me in a chokehold. It's literally tequila, sparkling water, and a little squeeze of lime. Low calorie, tasty, fresh. It's probably my favorite drink to make in a pinch. Like, it's so easy, and it'll take you there if you have enough, you know? Alright, y'all, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop a comment down below on how you like to unwind after a stressful day or a stressful week at work. I would love to hear it. Be sure to subscribe if you are new. I would absolutely love to have you. Share this video with someone you love. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.